And this here is the dark side of the moon. I'm gonna teleport down. Computer. Boop, boop, boop. Please set coordinates for the moon. I would like to be teleported over there. Boop, 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 boop. And teleport on my mark. Boop, boop. 1 to teleport. Boop, boop, boop. Make it so. Engage. No, make it so. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, here we are. Aki. Mama Aki, Mother Earth. And I'm here on the Dybbuk Gizis, the nighttime sun. Oh, but wait a minute, you're asking. How come when I was on the spaceship from the dark side of the moon was, enveloped by the Earth? But now that I'm on the moon, the Earth is little. Shouldn't the Earth just cover up the whole sky from this perspective? It makes me wonder, what if they were lying about landing on the moon? I know it's crazy to even question the government. Why would they lie? But it's interesting, Anyway. Still staring at his picture, I realize that was a song about grief. Sometimes it snows in April. Prince had a friend pass away. I think the lyrics are something like, Tracy died soon after I had wiped away his last tear. Just after a long-fought civil war. I always wondered what the story was behind that. It was a really sad song, though. Sometimes it snows in April. Sometimes I wish that life was never ending. But all good things, they say, never last. Love isn't love until it's past. Is it past or had? I guess it means the same thing. Love isn't love until it's had. It's not even love until you've had love, But sometimes you don't even know that it was love until it's past, until the person died, and you go, wow, did I love that person? I didn't even know. I didn't even know how in love I was until my cat died. I loved my cousin or whoever. Love. Zaga. Zaga Edwin. To love. What do you love? When's the last time you took a inventory and just started writing down things you love? What do you love? Well, let's see. I love cold beer. Put that on the list. I love, It makes it go, well, what do you mean by love? I love peanut butter sandwiches. No. That's not what we're talking about. It's a much shorter list of real love. Who do you love? It'd be easier to write who you don't love. It's less embarrassing. You wouldn't want to tell everybody who you love that you actually love them. But to Natasha. Miigwech ga bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. Now what? Oh, here we go. I got no time, and I don't know why. I got no tribe, and you don't know why. I got no why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right, no, I don't feel the same way today. I don't feel the same way. Wouldn't you rather live now in Minnesota? The days are short and the nights are colder, but she doesn't know because I never told her. I got no time, I don't know why. I got no tribe, you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right, no, I don't feel the same way today. I don't feel the same way today. Oh, go ahead. Until you were no longer credible, and I put you up so you could let me down. Maybe it's time to leave this town. I got no time, I don't know why. I got no tribe, you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right, no, I don't feel